trader. So today we are going to use a very interesting strategy on Nifty and analyze it in depth to know the date of the next reversal. In our previous videos, we mostly used the relationship of two planets, but today we are going to use the relationship of three planets in our Gann cosmogram strategy. We will backtest our strategy on Nifty chart and check how accurate it is and the next date on which we may see a good reversal in the Nifty. So without wasting much time, let's start our today's strategy. So first of all, open the Ganzilla application. Here is our Ganzilla application. So for today's strategy, we are only going to use Cosmogram. So just visible the Cosmogram option from here. In Cosmogram part, we need the following settings. For the clockwise option, visible it. Angle we have to keep it as 0 degree. For system, there are two systems, geocentric and heliocentric. We are going to use geocentric option. After that come to the parts of cycles. Today we are only going to use the transit part. So just visible the transit part only. When we are using the bird chart strategy, at that time we use both radix and transit. But for today's strategy, we are only going to use the transit part. Now come to the date option. So from here, change the date to the today's date, 16th October 2024. Now come to the option of planets. For our today's strategy, we are going to use Sun, Uranus and Neptune planet only. Now come to the aspects part. So for today's strategy, we are going to use the aspects sextile aspect and quincunx aspect. Now here you can see some number. These number are known as orb, ORB. So for sextile part, set it to 5 degree and for quincunx part, set it to 3 degree. So what is orb? Orb means margin of error or deviation or allowable range within which two planets can form the aspects. If we take an example, here you can see the sextile aspect between Uranus and Neptune planet. So sextile is formed when two planets are 60 degree far from each other. So when we set the orb as 5 degree, we can see the sextile aspect from the range of 55 degree to 65 degree, which is plus minus 5 degree from 60 degree. 60 minus 5 55 and 60 plus 5 65 degree. So from the range of 55 degree to 65 degree, we can see sextile aspect forming between the planets. I hope you are clear with this concept. Now when we go forward in the dates, here you can see a pattern is forming. Here you can see that Sun is in quincunx with Uranus and Sun is also quincunx with Neptune, and Uranus and Neptune are sextile to each other. So whenever you see such pattern, it works with very high accuracy for the reversal part. Quincunx is formed when two planets are 150 degree far away from each other, and sextile is formed when two planets are 60 degree away from each other. So whenever you see such pattern, it works as a very good reversal. The reason behind it is Uranus sextile Neptune is largely positive, means it is good for the market, while Uranus Sun and Neptune Sun quincunxes are challenging aspects, means it is not good for the market. So we can say the combination of these both aspects, sextile aspect and quincunx aspect, leads to both growth and challenges, means it is good for the market and also bad for the market. So this pattern works as a very good reversal. So if the market is in the bullish mode, so after this pattern, we can see a reversal in the bearish side. And if the market is in the bearish mode, so after this pattern, we can see a reversal in the bullish direction. I hope you are clear with this concept. So whenever you see such pattern in the cosmogram strategy, one planet is quincunx with the other two planets and that two planets are sextile with each other. So it works as a very good reversal for the particular stock or index. So our date is 19th October 2024 for the next reversal date. So let's mark it on the TradingView app. So open the TradingView app. Let's mark the date of 19th October 2024. Here you can see on 19th October 2024, it is a holiday. So we will consider the next date, which is 21st October 2024. So let's mark it with the vertical line. Here it is. Now let's backtest it and check whether it is working or not, or what is the accuracy of it. Now let's go back in the past, change it to week, go in the backward direction till we see the same pattern again. Change it to day, Here you can see the pattern again. The date is 18th October 2023. Sun is in quincunx with the Uranus and Neptune, and Uranus and Neptune are sextile to each other. So the date is 18th October 2023. Let's mark it on the TradingView app. Now let's mark the date of 18th October 2024. The date is here, 18th October 2024. And you can see here, the market was in bullish direction. But exactly from the date of 18th October 2024, market started the reversal in the bearish direction. Market went from 19,830 to 18,800. It given the move of 1000 points in the reversal direction. Now let's go more back in the past and check the more dates. So again open the Genzilla application, change it to week again. Let's go in the backward direction till we again get the same pattern. Yes, change it to day here. Yes, here you can see on the date of 14th October 2022, we can see the same pattern again. Sun is quincunx with Uranus and Neptune, and Uranus and Neptune are sextile to each other. Let's mark this date on the Nifty chart. So the date is 14th October 2022. Let's mark it. Here you can see the date 14th October 2022. So what we can see here is from the past 1 week, market was in the bearish direction. But exactly from the date of 14th October 2022, we can see it started the reversal movement in the bullish direction. It went from the 17,009 to 18,449th level, which means it almost given a reversal of 1500 points in the Nifty. So we can say that this strategy is working with very high accuracy for the reversal directions on the Nifty chart. Now let's go more back in the past and check the more dates. So again open the Genzilla application, change it to week. Let's go back in the past. Yes, here change it to day. Now here you can see that we can't see the same pattern again here. So we are not going to consider this date. So we can see that it is working with very high accuracy on the Nifty chart for the reversal pattern. Every pattern will not work on every stock or index. A particular pattern works on particular stock, which we have to find by backtesting it on the particular stock or index. I hope you are clear with the concept. So our next date is 19th October 2024 in the future date, where we can see a reversal in the market. If the market will be in the bullish direction till 18th October, then we'll go for a bearish reversal. And if the market is in the bearish direction till 18th October, then we'll go for the bullish reversal. As on 19th October, it is a holiday, so we are going to consider the next date, which is 21st October 2024. I hope you all liked the video and learned something new today. Like, comment and subscribe as much as possible, which will inspire me to make more such educational videos. Target of 1000 likes for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next educational video.